Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm still going to talk about pests and diseases of lilies. They were relentless this year. So my first stop is aphids, and you can see that some ants are walking up and down on my lilies, on the leaves and on the stem. And you can see these charcoal-like mold, it's called charcoal mold. And if you turn the leaf, it's full of aphids. And one interesting thing is on this leaf you can see that larvae, it's a maggot next to my finger, my little finger, and it's the larvae of a syrphid fly, and it eats the aphids. It's a blind maggot, but it can sense the aphids, and when he finds an aphid, it hooks it with its mouth parts and sucks it out. So you can see that this lily is very much infested with aphids. Charcoal mold is present. Charcoal mold is usually present when there's an animal which excretes a lot of honeydew. So if you eat honeydew honey, it's made of aphid poop and psilid poops and stuff like that. So this was one, and the other one is the other side of my lily collection. You can see that also the seeds are start to ripe, so I'm going to make a video about seed cleaning and candling lily seeds in the near future. So you can see that this lily leaf is started to turn purple, and when I hit the plant, these little yellow, greenish yellow animals fly off, and these animals are sucking on the underside of the leaves, and most lilies turn this purplish because the saliva of this animal is poisonous to the lilies. And this animal is called leafhopper. There's one, that really small green one. When you scare the animal, it jumps and then it flies. All leafhoppers are like this. So you can see that they are present on a lot of lilies. And there you go, there's another one, that little small one. So, and they are migrating animals, so they usually just come and go, and when you see the damage, it's already too late. They also transmit a lot of bacteria and phytoplasma, so they are harmful organisms, and also they secrete a lot of honeydew. And you can see that this purpling is still present on this lily, which has started to go dormant. So that would be all. Thank you very much for your attention. See you next time. Goodbye.